Hey British Columbia, Sheldon, Truck Hunter, BC, 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. It's the LT with the True North package, so it's got sunroof, leather, navigation, 4G Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got the upgraded wheels on it, heated seats, rear backup camera of course, remote start, lots of trunk space. Really nice upgraded interior in the Malibu now. It's got the keyless entry, push button start, Bose stereo. Really nice looking interior. There's the ultra view roof. There's the interior. Beautiful looking car. $185 bi-weekly, tax in over 84 months OAC. We take trades, in business to do business. 604-362-2922. Call me, British Columbia.